Howdy, it's your favorite girl serving you only the best caramel. It's the next day. I've had enough sleep at least, because yesterday, that walk, imagine walking for 7 kilometers. Like, I was not ready for that. And that park is designed such that once you start walking, you have to finish. Like, you have to go all the way. Otherwise, you have to go back all the way. So it's like, you just have to do it. So if you're not into hiking, just go to the entrance, take the cute photos up, and just go out. Because once you start that walk, it is over for you. So this is the outfit of the day. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, outfit for the day. Yeah. So today it's a chill day. I'm only doing one thing. I'm going to Unity Park, then maybe visit the mall and just call it a day, because I have a flight in the evening. Addis Ababa has a lot of parks. Like, all the activities are inside parks, but once you get out of the parks, it's just like a normal town. So they designed it in such a way that the parks are where it's at, basically. So today I'm going to Unity Park. If you've been to Addis, like, Unity Park is like, I would have started there, but I just decided to do the bigger park yesterday, which is the Entoto Park, and then Friendship Park because of the beautiful lights in the evening. But now I'm going to Unity Park, which has like the history of Ethiopia and all that. So Addis Ababa basically means beautiful flower, and indeed it's a beautiful flower full of greenery and parks. The streets just light up at night. Like, it's so beautiful at night. It's something about the lights. I think they've used like helium lights or something, so at night is just a beautiful sight. I think it's even like Ethiopia in terms of development. I've seen a lot of new buildings coming up, so I feel like it's like a recent kind of development. So maybe by this time, 2 years from now or 3 years from now, like, Ethiopia will be looking like Dubai, period. Kenya tunakuwa tumejichocha tu ya bure, like huku nje, people are living. My biggest culture shock actually is the language barrier. Like, I didn't expect it to be that serious. And I forgot one thing about the camera. So first of all, that camera battery life 0. Stability 0. So today I'm using my phone because I haven't figured out how to change the settings to like increase the stability. Also, I've realized in most of the parks they don't allow you to go with the camera. So today let me just use the phone throughout. Then I'll try and figure out, or just Google. I need to do a lot of research. And if you know anything about the camera, please comment down. I need help. This camera matter. Plus, I feel like once you're used to vlogging using the phone, like, the phone is so convenient. Like, it's always on your hand. It's just like you're used to holding the phone. And the camera, first of all, the screen is smaller. It needs some getting used to. But I also figure that it's better. It works best when it's stationary. Anyways, yeah, I learn. But me, I feel like the phone is better. It's just more practical. Let me head down for breakfast. Then I finish packing, check out, go for that activity, then come back and go to the airport. That's basically my day for you. See you when we get to Unity Park. Goodbye, Addis Ababa. Until next time. Peace. Here at Unity Park, so apparently you can enter through a mall. The entrance, you go to a mall, then there's a tunnel that you use to enter the park. So that's the tunnel I was talking about. You enter down there, go under the road to the other side across the street. You're given this gate pass, then you enter through there. This is nice. Entrance is giving interstellar vibes. Those soldiers behind me. Pia wamekuja tour. I've met some Nigerian ladies over there. They've helped me with the photos. So now I'm good. I'm satisfied. This park is amazing. Look at that. Yeah, guys, I got myself an Ethiopian outfit. What's the name of the outfit? Traditional Ethiopian outfit. Yes. Looking like Jesus. Abisha Kemis.
Oui.
Abisha Kemis.
Yeah.
So the dress is called Abisha Kemis.
Oui.
Yes.
Abisha Kemis.
Yes. Does it have a meaning?
No.
The dress has a meaning. Abisha Kemis have a meaning.
It means Ethiopian traditional Ethiopian
Attire.
costume dress.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is Unity Park. It's a great place to learn about Ethiopian history, culture, and nature while enjoying a peaceful retreat in the city. It is located within the compound of the National Grand Palace in the Arat Kilo district of Addis Ababa and was inaugurated in 2019 as part of the beautification project for the city. The park showcases a variety of historical artifacts, including items made of gold from the reign of Emperor Haile Sellasie. It includes a zoo. There is also a traditional garden, even an aquarium. It's just a beautiful place. It looks like a storybook. It has a lot of history and is definitely one of the first places to stop when you come to Addis. The park is open 6 days a week from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. It's a beautiful place to visit.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I feel the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go
out of Unity Park, so I have to hurry, like I'm literally rushing to go to the hotel and then go to the airport. It's been good at this. Your people are so nice, so calm, so friendly. See you next time. Peace. Calling the taxi. I've waited for the taxi for like 30 minutes, so I'm like literally late. I'm late to go to the hotel. I'm late for the airport. I'm late. even have like some 5 minutes to spare before we board. What? That was tough, tea for tough. Guess my next country. Comment down below if you think you know where I'm going next. I'm going for another country, then I go back to Kenya. Just comment down there. See you on the other side. Peace.